do you deal with rumors?
Um,
Sa 13 years mo, ang dami mo nang na-encounter.
yes, during Aldab,
Ang daming crazy rumors sa inyo.
sobrang dami crazy
At
rumors.
saka yung iba naniniwalang totoo yung rumors, ha?
Exactly.
Alam mo yung number 1, may anak kayo.
At kasal po kami.
At kasal kayo. Grabe yun! Ang tagal naglinger noon. In-address nyo ba yun na may anak kayo? May narrative talaga.
Meron silang sarili nilang storytelling.
Nagulat ka nung lumabas yun?
Yes, and all along, akala ko by the time na, of course, Maine and Arjo became public.
Oo.
And then they got married eventually.
Akala mo mawala na yun?
Yes.
Hindi nawala?
Andyan pa rin po. I already said my piece about this. It's not true. Wala pong katotohanan lahat. Wala po kaming anak. We never got married. We don't have...
Love child.
Love child. But right now po, I'm at that a point na masaya po sila dun eh. Tatanggalin ko pa ba? Irarab ko pa ba sa mga buhay nila na wala nga, huwag kayong makulit. I'm not that kind of person. I always support happiness of people.
But what are you tired hearing about?
Sa gender issue. Ganun din. Oh, tingin nyo ganun? Fine. Tingin nyo bading? Fine. Ang iniisip ko minsan pag may ganung mga rumors, wala na ba iba? Baka,
Diba lahat ng, sa showbiz, pag lalaki, tapos
pas
walang
walang
girlfriend. Kasi ganito siya.
Yan. Then, yung judgment call sa gender ng mga kalalakihan sa industriya natin, andali, just because of that fact. But ako po, parang, pupunta ba ako sa route na yun dahil gusto ko na naman mag-please? I have my life right now. I'm happy, perfectly happy with what I have, what I'm able to do at the moment. I seize every opportunity. Sayang, there's time for that.